Are you over 50 and earning more than $145,000? If so, listen closely. Big changes are coming that will affect your 401k tax breaks. This isn't maybe. Starting in 2025, a crucial tax deduction you've relied on for years is disappearing, potentially costing you thousands more in taxes. In this video, we'll explain exactly what the Secure Act 2.0 means for your catch-up contributions. We'll explain exactly what's changing, who's affected, and the immediate steps you must take now to protect your retirement savings. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 14 years of experience in the financial services industry. I specialize in helping people eliminate risk, fees, and taxes in the way they save their money and how they park it. Okay, here's the deal. If you're over 50 and making more than $145,000 a year, I've got some important news you need to hear. A huge 401k tax break, one you've probably been using to beef up your retirement savings, is about to be taken away. And no, this isn't some proposal or a maybe someday thing. This change is officially on the books, and the clock starts ticking in 2026. For a lot of people, this is going to cost you thousands of dollars in tax deductions you've been counting on. This rule, which is part of the Secure Act 2.0, is one of the biggest shakeups to retirement planning we've seen in a long time, and it's aimed squarely at high earners in their peak savings years. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what's changing, who it hits, why it's happening, and most importantly, what you need to do right now to protect your retirement plan. We'll cover the critical questions you need to ask your employer, how to figure out the real dollar impact on your wallet, and the hidden traps that could stop you from making any catch-up contributions at all if you're not ready. If you're aged 60 to 63, you'll want to watch until the end. So, what exactly is changing? To really get the size of this shift, let's be clear on what we're talking about. The IRS lets you contribute a certain amount to your 401k every year. But for anyone 50 and over, they give you a bonus, the ability to make an extra catch-up contribution on top of the standard limit. For years, this has been a golden ticket to juice your retirement savings as you get closer to retirement. And for years, the game has been simple, right? These catch-up contributions have always worked just like your regular 401k contributions. You put the money in pre-tax, which means the amount you contribute gets subtracted from your income for the year. The result? You lower your adjusted gross income, your AGI, and you pay less taxes right now. It's a powerful, immediate tax break. But starting in 2026, that all changes for a specific group of people. Under the new Secure Act 2.0 rule, if your wages in the previous year were more than $145,000, your catch-up contributions can no longer be pre-tax. Instead, they must go into a Roth 401k account. This means you'll be making those contributions with after-tax dollars. That immediate tax deduction you've been enjoying for years, it's gone. This rule was actually supposed to start even earlier, but the IRS hit the pause button and gave everyone an administrative delay until 2026. But that delay is not a cancellation. It's a grace period. It's a very short window for you to get your financial house in order. So, who exactly is in the crosshairs here? The rule is laser focused. This mandatory Roth rule for catch-ups applies to you if you're 50 and older and your FICA wages from your employer were over $145,000 in the previous calendar year. That previous year part is critical. Your status is determined by what you earned last year, not what you're earning this year. And that $145,000 number, it's going to be indexed for inflation. So you can expect it to tick up over time. Now, this is where things get messy because it isn't just about losing one tax deduction. Think of it as a ripple effect. Pushing up your adjusted gross income can have consequences all over your financial life. A higher AGI can shrink or even wipe out your ability to take other valuable tax deductions and credits. For example, it might phase you out of deducting traditional IRA contributions. It could mess with your eligibility for certain education or investment tax breaks. For some people, it can even change how much of your Social Security benefits get taxed in retirement. This isn't a tiny tweak, it's a major shift in your tax world. So, why is the government doing this? The short answer, they want the tax revenue. By forcing high earners into post tax contributions, the government gets its tax money now instead of waiting for you to retire. In Washington, this is called revenue scoring, and it makes the government's current budget look healthier. They're basically trading future tax dollars for an immediate cash injection today. And they're doing it on the backs of people who are trying to save responsibly. So that's the problem. Let's talk about what you can actually do about it. This is the most important part of the video, so lean in. The absolute first thing you need to do, like right after watching this, is get in touch with your company's HR or benefits department. You need to ask one simple, direct question. Does our company's 401k have a Roth option? The answer to this question changes everything. If they say yes, you have a clear path forward, and we'll get to that in a second. But what if they say no? This is the scariest and most urgent scenario. Based on how the law is written, if you're a high earner, you must make Roth catch-up contributions. If your employer's plan doesn't offer a Roth option, you can't follow the law. And the terrifying result is that you could be blocked from making any catch-up contributions at all. You could possibly lose the ability to save that extra money for retirement. This is the whole reason the IRS pushed the start date back 2 years to give employers who don't have a Roth 401k time to get one set up. If your company doesn't offer one, you need to be the squeaky wheel. Start that conversation now. Send them this video. Share articles on the Secure Act 2.0. The time for your company to fix this is right now, not the end of 2025. Okay, once you've confirmed you have a Roth 401k option, it's time to run the numbers. You have to see what it looks like in real dollars. For 2026, when all this kicks in, the regular catch-up limit for those 50 and over is projected to be around $8,000. Let's use that as our example. Let's say you're in the 32% federal tax bracket and a 5% state bracket for a total of 37%. Under the old rules, making an $8,000 pre-tax catch-up contribution would have instantly saved you $2,960 on your tax bill for the year. That's cash that would have stayed in your pocket. Under the new rules, that $8,000 contribution is after tax. So that $2,960 in tax savings for that year, it's gone. Your tax bill is higher and your take-home pay is lower. There's no way around that. But here's the trade-off, the strategic silver lining. That money, once it's inside your Roth 401k, is now set to grow completely 100% tax-free. When you pull it out in retirement, every single penny, your original contribution, and all the decades of growth comes out with a 0% tax bill. You are prepaying your taxes at today's known rates instead of gambling on what tax rates might be in 10, 15, or 20 years. This whole situation forces you to answer a classic financial planning question. Do you think your tax rate will be higher or lower in retirement than it is today? If you think you'll be in a similar or higher tax bracket down the road, paying the taxes now to lock in that tax-free growth is an incredibly smart long-term move. This new law essentially pushes high earners to create tax diversification, which is the foundation of any bulletproof retirement plan. And this is exactly where our team steps in. At the Confident Wealth Solution, we specialize in helping high-income earners build tax-free retirement options and implement proven tax-free strategies. If you're over 50 and wondering how Secure Act 2.0 impacts your long-term plan, now is the perfect time to talk with us. Go to KarenKidd.com to schedule your discovery call. It only takes 5 minutes to see if these strategies can work for you. Now, let's get into some more advanced strategies, including a brand new super catch up for people aged 60 to 63 that you absolutely need to know about. On top of the mandatory Roth rule, the Secure Act 2.0 threw in another interesting and pretty lucrative twist. For those of you who are specifically between the ages of 60 and 63, it created something people are calling the super catch up. Starting in 2025, the law lets people in this 4 age year tax bracket make an even bigger catch-up contribution. The limit will be the greater of either $10,000 or 150% of the regular catch-up limit for that year. For example, with a regular catch-up of $7,500 in 2025, 150% of that is $11,250. This gives you an amazing but very limited window to seriously accelerate your savings right before you retire. But you guessed it, the same rule applies. If you're a high earner, this bigger super catch-up contribution also has to be made on a Roth after-tax basis starting in 2026. This makes the tax planning decision even more important because the immediate tax bite will be bigger, but the long-term tax-free reward will be that much sweeter. So, what if you're already maxing everything out and this change has you looking for other places to put your money? It's smart to look at alternatives. If you have a high deductible health plan, an HSA or health savings account is probably the single best retirement account out there. It's triple tax advantage. Your contributions are tax deductible, the money grows tax free, and your withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax free. Beyond that, a fixed indexed annuity or FIA is one option. It's designed to preserve your tax-free capital while letting you participate in market gains and also giving you the ability to generate monthly income. Watch my video, Market Growth, Zero Downside Risk, to get the basics on how an FIA works. Another tool to consider is an Indexed Universal Life Policy or IUL. These offer tax-advantaged growth, access to accumulated cash, and provide both living and death benefits. Either choice, or a combination of the two, can be a smart place to park your hard-earned cash as you prepare for retirement. And if you're curious about Indexed Universal Life, stay tuned. In the coming weeks, I'll be breaking down exactly how IULs work and why so many high-income earners use them as part of a powerful retirement strategy. Let's wrap this up with an action plan. This change is a big deal, but it's a reason to plan, not to panic. First, this rule is coming. Starting in 2026, if you earn over $145,000, your 401k catch-up contributions must go into a Roth account. Second, this means your immediate tax bill is probably going up, but you're buying yourself a future of tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals on that money. Third, and most urgent, your right now step is to confirm your employer's 401k plan has a Roth option. If it doesn't, you need to sound the alarm today. And fourth, it's time to rethink your long-term tax strategy. This change is forcing your hand on tax diversification, and that can be a very good thing. By understanding this new landscape, you can pivot. You can turn what looks like a financial headache from Congress into a strategic advantage that will build a more secure, tax-free bucket of money for your retirement. You are in control. Trying to navigate all these changes, especially when you factor in the new super catch-up rules and how they fit into your overall financial life, can get really complex. The right move for you depends on your income, your investments, and your goals. If you want to build a clear step-by-step plan to adapt to these new rules and optimize your savings for the years ahead, I invite you to schedule a complimentary discovery call with our team of personal finance specialists. There's a link in the description below where we can connect for a 5-minute discovery call to explore a strategy that will work for you. Don't wait until 2026 to start thinking about this. The time to get prepared is now. If you're finding this useful and want to stay ahead of huge retirement changes like this one, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It tells YouTube you're getting value from this, and it honestly helps us to make more videos just like this for you. Thank you for watching.